Once more, Jesus said to them,
I am going away, and you will look for me, and you will die in your sin. Where I go, you cannot come.
This made the Jews ask,
Will he kill himself? Is that why he says, where I go, you cannot come?
but he continued,
You are from below, I am from above. You are of this world, I am not of this world. I told you that you would die in your sins. If you do not believe that I am he, you will indeed die in your sins.
Who are you? They asked.
Just what I have been telling you from the beginning. I have much to say in judgment of you, but he who sent me is trustworthy, and what I have heard from him, I tell the world.
They did not understand that he was telling them about his Father. So Jesus said,
When you have lifted up the Son of Man, then you will know that I am he, and that I do nothing on my own, but speak just what the Father has taught me. The one who sent me is with me, and he has not left me alone, for I always do what pleases him.
even as he spoke, many put their faith in him.